Hello everybody, I am Tejashree
We have
Mohan.
an intro
Welcome
in
back
your
to
ride
my
on number
channel
41
and to the people who are
on
coming
the
for the
TVS
first
50
time.
Moped
Welcome.
Clash.
Guess where we are
Yes,
today?
it's a
We are here at the Unite Off-Road Park with Unrock Events, who is conducting an off-road dirt race called Race in Time. This is where the registrations are done and then you enter inside to the race track. So this is a race event conducted by the Unrock Events where any type of two-wheelers can come and participate in the race. Also, you also have a ladies class where even the girls can participate. Parking facilities for all the riders who are participating is provided inside the venue. You also have an ambulance which is there for the rescue in case of any crash or anybody needs medication. This is the top view. Look how beautiful the venue is. Also, you can see all the spectators are eagerly waiting to watch the riders get inside the track. So here you can see people are lined up and waiting. The racers, the participants are lined up and they are waiting for the signal to go. So now they allow a certain set of riders inside and all are going in. Yay! All the best! What a music! My ears are like full on happy today. Look at the track, you guys, how crazy it looks, but so many corners for the riders to have so much fun inside. So the event has started and all the riders have lined up. This is the start line and the finish line. Woo! I'm super excited. How excited are you? All the very best. I wish you could hear me. And here he goes. Oh my god, look at the dust, you guys. You definitely need to wear a mask, if not for corona, for the dust. Look at this bike. So this proves that you do not have to have a perfect off-roading bike to come and participate. You can just do it even with any type of bike you want to. Just that you should be interested. Okay, he just crashed, but yay, he's still going for it. That's a biker spirit. It's okay, this happens. You cannot learn unless you fall. You can never learn unless you fall, right? So yay! Look who's here, a lady rider, a female rider. She makes us so proud, you girls. Definitely make sure that all other girls are here next time, including me. Here from morning and almost all the registrations are done. Still people are still coming in to participate. So I took a test ride in the new Honda Highness and the review is coming soon on my Instagram. This is Rohit. Hi Rohit. How's the event going?
going great.
So when is the next event?
Next event is coming soon within 2 months.
Yes, we are all waiting for it.
Cheers.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So the first part of the race just got done and now it's the second round where they are allowing riders, where they're giving riders another chance by doing the re-entry. The riders feel they have not given their 100%, this is their chance to give their 100% and win the race. So these are the riders who have done their re-entry to give a second shot to their riding. Look at the kids, you guys, how excited they are to sit on a bike and rev it, and I can definitely see a dream starting. Look at the modifications on this bike, you guys. The modified exhaust, and look at the lights and the tail of the bike. It is so cool. Hi. Oi. Hi, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Say hi to Bella. the event is done, all the riders have participated, and now we are in the ending session where the winners will be selected and announced. Look at this kid, already excited to be on the track with the flag.
Making
Hari.
even the pros out there
So,
stand and
how
watch
many
him.
of them have
Their
registered?
shine
How is the
bright
crowd?
as the sun.
The crowd is pretty
So this is what is
everybody who missed out.
an rock event
Missed out
made
this
up of
psychedelic event.
race in
It's
time,
almost been like 90 people who got registered inside.
race in time
Okay.
2021.
Pretty awesome.
So
is
the crowd is great, so
wherein you
make
can
sure
see
you're here the next
all
time.
unexpected.
Okay, so the prize distribution is about to start. Let's see who are the winners. Look at the trophies, you guys. The winners are selected with the fastest lap time. And here, the mechanic of the bike is talking, which is very rare to find. And these are our lady riders who rode today. How amazing is that?
That's why we made you use all the riding gears. I know a lot of people hated me, especially women, because I pull them out without safety gears. So your safety is important. So if you are safe and walk out of here, you can race next week also.
Please tell us what your age is. 15. Guys, I didn't hear that. Can you be a little louder? 15. Okay, how much? 15. Bro, you have to be here, bro. That's all for today. What made you come into this? What made you come into this? ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ? Okay, so his dad was. Guys, a big round of applause for him. ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕರೀತೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ? Can I have the legend out here? So this is the legend.
Today was awesome. It was very good. This was the first time I'm actually looking at a dirt event live, and I enjoyed it. It was crazy. And next time even I'll be there. I want to participate.
A big round of applause for that. That is how. Okay, so Rohit, what do you think? Is the event successful? You're happy with it, or you're not happy with it?
This was a bang. I didn't expect what happened today, but thank you everybody for coming from all over the places and hope you all enjoyed the race. Hope you all had fun. And good that we didn't have any crashes today. So we are planning for a bigger autocross in the next coming 3 months. Hope to see you in the next event. Thank you so much.
Working splendidly on the bike.
Hello.
Hi.
So is this your first time?
This is my first time on track.
Okay, so how was the experience?
It was very tough, ma'am. I practiced from 20 to 25 days, daily 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, crashing 2 times a day. It's not an easy task.
Crashes are must.
Yeah, but no pros won't crash a lot. But we are not pros.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but learning crashes are like must.
that,
So how was today's experience?
yeah, it was very nice, ma'am. This is my hometown, ma'am. Because MotoGP, that tarmac and all, it costs you more.
Okay, so are you coming back?
Yeah, I'll be back. Always, I am on the track now.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
So that is it from me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more such videos, don't forget to comment down, and also don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on that subscribe button right now, and if you want to be notified first, you can also click on the bell icon. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy and stay motivated, you guys. Peace out.